people, and this is also a message to all Saudi Arabia and Qatar and all you people of faith who have still a God and a spirit and a soul left in you. I am begging you, look at your brothers and sisters in Palestine and what they've gone through. Everything that Trump is doing is a lie. Everything that Netanyahu is doing is a lie. They want to make Palestine a placeless place. This is like an insane program of putting all of you into a small little concentration camp and then building everything up like Trump Gaza. And Tony Blair is going to be the viceroy. This is an insult. This is an insult to the years and years of Arafat and Khalid Michel and all of the people that have been sacrificing their lives for this in Palestine. We are close. They are close. Palestine wants air rights and water rights and sea rights. They don't want to have Israel running everything. And Palestinians have been giving everything. I've been studying the Oslo Accords. I've been studying. This is a message to all the Palestinian people, and this is also a message